There is a moment in every generation that separates those who adapt from those who complain. A moment that will determine who will rise to power and who will be forgotten. And my friend, that time is now. Artificial intelligence is changing the way people can do things more than anything else since the internet was invented. But the truth is, most people don't see it. They move on. They are afraid of it. They believe that AI will take their place, but they're wrong. AI isn't going to hurt you. It wants to make you more. It's not the enemy. It's the best chance humanity has ever had. Give it some thought. 20 years ago, you needed millions of dollars, investors, a team, and an office to start a business. You only need a laptop, an idea, and AI these days. A student in Pakistan can use Midjourney to create a design brand that is known around the world. Suno AI lets a kid in Nigeria make a whole music album. ChatGPT and Canva can help a woman in India start an online store. Runway and Pika Labs help a Brazilian filmmaker make visuals that look like they came from Hollywood. This is not the future. This is going on right now. The question isn't if AI will change the world. The question is, are you going to use it or let it use you? Don't get me wrong, AI will take over jobs, but it will only take over those who don't want to change. The ones who say, I'm not good with technology, and sit down. The people who are waiting for permission, people who learn, adapt, and build, people who see AI as a tool instead of a threat, will be in charge of the next decade. Let's be honest for a moment. People are sick of excuses. The internet has given you all the tools, chances, and connections you need, but most people throw it away. Instead of making money, they use AI to make memes. Instead of writing their future, they use ChatGPT to write jokes. That's the difference between people who dream and people who do. People who do things see AI and say, this can change my life. The dreamers keep scrolling and move on. There is a story about a man named Jason. He didn't have any money. He lost his job. Sad. But he was curious about one thing. He began using ChatGPT every day to learn how to write, market, and build things online. He started an AI-powered digital agency from his bedroom 6 months later. There are no employees, no money from investors, only knowledge. He now makes more money in a month than he used to make in a year. That's what happens when you stop being afraid of technology and start learning how to use it. I've seen students who used to fail English now writing best-selling ebooks with the help of AI. Leonardo. AI has helped designers who couldn't afford Photoshop make beautiful art in just a few seconds. I've seen introverts who couldn't talk on camera now running YouTube channels with millions of views without showing their faces. They use 11 Labs for voiceovers and Runway for editing. The playing field is finally fair. You don't have to be wealthy. You don't need a big city. All you need is the courage to start. But most people still won't take this chance. They will wait. They will have doubts. They'll say, maybe next year. But I want to tell you this, someone else will already be living your dream next year. Because speed is important in the world of AI. The person who learns the fastest wins. Every day you waste is a day that your future competitor is building their empire. People are afraid of AI because they think it will put them out of work. But the truth is that AI won't take your job. The person who knows how to use AI will. The person who automates tasks, makes things faster, and delivers better is the winner. The smartest or richest people don't own the future. It belongs to those who can change. In this new world, the only thing that separates success from failure is your attitude. The old way of thinking is that AI is dangerous. The new way of thinking says AI is power. You can either be scared of it or use it to make something amazing. ChatGPT can help you build your own brand. You can edit short movies with Runway. You can make a podcast with 11 Labs while you sleep. Big companies pay thousands of dollars for visuals that you can make with Midjourney. You can turn into a one-person army. This kind of leverage has never been seen before. Steve Jobs once said, "The ones who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do." That quote was true back then, and it's even more true now. You really can do it with AI. You don't have to ask for permission. You don't need a boss. You don't even need to have done this before. You only need a laptop, Wi-Fi, and a desire to eat. The tools don't cost anything. The information is on the internet. You are the only thing missing. Let's see what's going on. Eye doctors can figure out what's wrong with you faster than people can. Books written by AI writers are making the bestseller lists. AI programmers are making apps in hours that used to take months. Things aren't slowing down in the world, it's speeding up. And those who learn to ride this wave will not only live, but also rule. Look at the rise of solopreneurs to see how powerful this is. One person with AI can now run a whole business. Help for customers, automatic, editing videos, artificial intelligence. What is marketing? AI. Design? AI. That's what being free looks like. The future is not working harder, but working smarter with AI as your partner. And hey, it's not about being perfect. It's all about being steady. You will not succeed. You will make bad posts, bad videos, and bad ideas. But that's fine. You're getting better every time you show up, both you and your AI tools. AI learns from you. The more you use it, the more it becomes a part of you. That's the best part. People ask, what if AI wipes out all of us? I wonder, what if AI saves it? What if AI helps us get rid of disease, poverty, and climate change? What if AI could give every kid in the world a tutor? What if AI helps artists, teachers, and people with big dreams make things they couldn't before? The tools are not biased. The goal is human. AI isn't taking over the world, it's making it better. You have two options today. You can be afraid of it and stay stuck. You could also learn it and get better. The future won't wait for you to feel safe. It gives rewards to those who are brave. The people who try new things, make things, and are brave enough to say, I'll build something with this. You don't have to know everything. You only need to get started. Start ChatGPT. Write down your first question. Think of something using Midjourney. Use Runway to make something. Say something with 11 labs. Every click gets you closer to being an expert. In a world full of noise, being real is rare, they say. Your voice, your vision, and your story are things that AI can't replace. That's what sets you apart. Use the tools, but always stay true to yourself. The human heart is still the most powerful technology in the end. So dreamers, builders, and believers, listen up. The future belongs to people who use AI, not people who are afraid of it. The revolution has begun. Don't just watch it happen. Join in, learn, create, and motivate. You are not late. You're right on time. One choice started every major change in history. This is yours. Fear shouldn't control what happens next. Let the world do it. Get up, open your laptop, and get to work. You could be the next big creator, the next global entrepreneur, or the next visionary. And you don't have to ask anyone else. This is your time. This is your strength. This is the AI revolution for you.